So when using the calculator, I use this calculator. It's a Casio FX83. There are a few variations to this, but this is the one that we recommend. We also have one which is called an Aurora in school. Has pretty similar buttons, so I'm not too sure which one you've got. But using this calculator, this button over here where we've got two squares or rectangles above and below a line is the fraction button. To do that, press the button and you get your fraction up, and then you can put the calculation in on the top and the bottom, and then just press the equal sign to get your answer. So for that first question, it's 78 plus 66, and then use the arrow button to go to the bottom. Okay, you can press down or to the right, and then you would put your 65 underneath and press the equals button, obviously down at the bottom. So if I press the equals button, it gives me the answer of 144 over 65. It will give it to you in its simplest form. Now, if you don't have a fraction button, there is a way around this. The fraction line is the same as divide. Okay, so another way of doing this, I'll clear this, is to use the brackets if you don't have a fraction button. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the top of the fraction and divide it by the bottom. Okay, so using the brackets, if I open a bracket and I put in the calculation 78 and then put that's a plus 66, close the bracket, and then I'm dividing by whatever's on the bottom, and that is 65. If it's got more on the bottom, then put that into brackets as well. Okay, so then we press equals, and we get the same answer, 144 over 65. So if you've got a calculator similar to this, or it has a fraction button, then you can do it the fraction way. Or if you don't have the fraction button, I recommend you get a calculator with the fraction button because it's so much easier. Then if you don't have one, then use the brackets. Okay, I hope that helps.